This is all new to me. I haven't seen any of this, so I'm just as new as you are. So let's have a look. Right, what are these? What's this? Got it. Lunar New Year. Right. I feel ya. So we got all that. Oh, what's that? Two. George. Who the fuck is George? Oh, Carp DM and Rabbit. What's this? Right. Rabbit. Right. It's got George and then Rabbit. And then these I presume are like Festive Frank. Oh. Can't get Festive Frank. I should get a tiger. Ooh, boards. What's new? Ooh. Oh, that's right. It's Carp Dime. I don't know what that is. I don't know what you mean. But okay. Shop. Free gift. Stay consistent. Events. Gloom. Can't do it because. Sure. New things. Sure. Missions. Oh, okay. What does the new map look like? Oh, it's a jungle. I don't like this. Ugh, sand. Oh, it's sand? Okay. Whatever you say, boss. Whatever you say. It's like, what is it? Temple Run. Temple Run? Yeah. Oh, that's spooky. Oh, I've got to spend 20 days with this. Oh, good. This doesn't make any sense. What's the music? Was that a dead target? Is that milk? Like I said, I haven't played this new update yet because I just didn't. What is going on? Why is there names? Hey, I complete that. What year is it? Ooh, that doesn't look as good as the gingerbread man. It looks more fake. What are you? Oh my god, why the fireworks? Don't go, yeah. What's going on? I'm so confused. Wait, aren't I a dog in Chinese New Year? Yeah, I'm a dog. I'm a dog, bitch. I'm fucking dog, bitch. So what is it, rabbit? Is it you, the rabbit? I presume. It's gotta be you, the rabbit. So why have I only got half a day, probably? Maybe I didn't complete it before. Ooh. Oh, it's much better. It's da-na-na. This is cool. Not the map. The map is not cool. I miss you so much. Christmas map. I was only a child. I did exam today. I media production egg. I don't know how I did, but I think I did alright. There wasn't much chance to fail. Was there much chance to fail? I don't know. I just killed thousands. It's not my box. When I kill it all, I make muscular. And muscular it will suffer. That's beep. Oh, have I got to talk? X-Realm. I did a thing with X-Realm. That was pretty cool. Fuck me sideways with a fucking blunt spoon shoving out my arse and think about Cafe. What kind of name is Cafe? Hello? Do you want to know my name? What's your name? Cafe. No, I'm a good person. How do I always end up talking to myself? Because you're cripplingly lonely. I'm not cripplingly lonely, you're cripplingly lonely. I'm fine. It's not like nobody cares. I have 15 subscribers, I'm harder than that. Son. People get squished. There's not much chance people to become big YouTubers these days. You have to know of a big YouTuber already. You have to be rich. Or you get incredibly lucky, which barely happens anymore. I haven't seen a big YouTuber pop up in ages. My voice is incredibly annoying. Oh, Daddy, come wait. He brought me a mate. Stop going off, you cum fireworks. Yeah, you heard me. They're fireworks. Cum. I'm edgying that. Feel me, hot bitch. How did I miss that? Because you're an idiot. I am not an idiot. I'm an imbecile. That's worse. I die. And no. Oh, I'm not gonna get that to any high school. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I don't wanna go on. I'm not feeling it. I don't wanna go on. I've only made it to 100. Is that 10? That's 10,000. I'm not feeling it. But you wanna go on? It's not as good when you're slow. You want to be fast. You want to be cool. You want to be quirky. You want to be cool. You've already said cool. Leave me alone. I didn't get exam today. And I got some Yuki Bar banana. You get Yuki Bar and a banana in the exam Saturday. But the 20 extra, there's extra 25%. What's this extra 25% mean? It means you get extra 25%. How long is that? Extra 25%. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much for explaining that. Oh, I got a random board. What board did I get? Oh, I got the Christmas board. Very nice. This was my favourite board until I learned what my favourite board was. Oh, you can't double tap when you want to double tap, but double jump. I hate this one. I want double coin. Double coin! Do 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 da 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 da. And up. Woo! 9 minutes running. Cheese and grapes. No, I can't eat grapes. I'm gonna have cheese and crackers. Nice. Lamb. Ooh, lamb's expensive. Wait, isn't lamb a baby sheep? Isn't that a bit immoral? Maybe this is why people become vegetarians. No, vegetarians are woke. No, it does become hard to control this thing. It's like Vega in the last scenes of House of the Dragon. No, Vega, obey me. He's a fucking huge reptile, you bastard. I thought you liked Haemon Targaryen. I can have my own opinions. Leave me alone. 2023 is my year. It's my year. It's my year. My moment. My day. My sundown.